Sa iba pang balita, ginawaran ng parangal at binigyang pahalaga ang kontribusyon ng mga natatanging negosyante sa Business Manual CEO Awards 2025. Kinalala rin dito ang tagumpay ng iba't ibang kumpanyang naging mahusay sa pagnenegosyo na nakatulong sa maraming Pinoy sa bansa. Mark De La Rosa sa balitang yan.
Isang prestiyosong seremonya ang idinaos upang parangalan ang mga natatanging business leaders at entrepreneurs sa The Business Manual CEO Awards 2025. Ano nga ba ang naging batayan ng mga tagapangasiwa sa pagpili ng mga ginawaran ng parangal sa selebrasyong ito?
Number one, we want to look for innovation in the industry. What have they done in the respective industries? Also, brand equity, how have they built their image? And we also have contribution to society.
Kinilala ang iba't ibang industriya sa kanilang inobasyon, epektibong marketing at dekalidad na serbisyo upang matugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga Pilipino at mapaunlad ang ekonomiya ng bansa.
But it was a reminder to us that the kind of work that we put in to solve customer problems, getting to the root of any problems that we see, introducing new mobile apps, doing whatever we can to make the customer experience better every time. Winning that award gave us significant satisfaction and, more importantly, an affirmation that we were doing the right things.
20 years ago, we were just a construction company. 10 years ago, we were just an office developer. 5 years ago, we were just an office and residential developer, and now we're developing a city. So I think it's always crucial to always look for the next stage of your transformation.
Paano nga ba nagagawang mapanatili ng mga matagumpay na kumpanya ang kanilang tatak at impluwensya sa kabila ng pagbabago ng panahon at paglilipas ng iba't ibang henerasyon?
But really the game-changing aspect of it is how to develop the next generation, the organization. And so that's been the focus of the work, particularly for me, is to have a strong leadership team, to look at the bench strength, and to really look at how we can institutionalize some of the things we've learned, some of my experiences from multinational corporations.
It's really that innovations that's coming in that makes us different in terms of quality, in terms of preservations, in terms of processes. If you're just doing the same as the others, wag na. But for us, Mega, we try to do better.
Binalikan naman ng mga pinarangalan ang kanilang hamon at pagsisikap sa pagsisimula sa industriya bago nila narating ang tagumpay.
I did not inherit my business. I started from scratch. I started from a small clinic, and now we have a group of diverse businesses. If you're passionate with what you do, you always try to overcome any difficulties. There will always be difficulties when you start a business.
I started out with a third-hand dental chair and 3,000 pesos, and I was practically with a small set of dental instruments when I came back from the States back in 1998. It was very hard, with lots of hard work, perseverance, resiliency, of course, relentlessness. We were able to achieve everything.
Mark De La Rosa para sa mata ng Agila. Matatag, matapang, matapat.
Maraming salamat sa inyo pong pagsubaybay sa Mata ng Agila Primetime. Para malaman ang matatag, matapang at matapat na mga balita, i-follow lamang at mag-subscribe sa @Net25 TV.